Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You have your project ready and a backup saved. Now open the file in your editor and verify the format. Once opened, navigate to the Pages or Layout panel and enable visible rulers and guides so alignment is consistent. Create or select a master template if you need repeating headers or footers. Next, import the first page file using File Place or Drag and Drop. Make sure to keep links intact and choose to embed or link based on final file size needs. With your blank pages in place, insert additional pages where needed using Insert Page or drag from the thumbnail tray. Once pages exist, place content into each frame and adjust margins, bleed, and layer order to prevent overlap issues. For multi-page imports, use the Batch Import dialog to preserve metadata and numbering. Make sure to link text frames across pages for flowing copy, and use snapping and groups to maintain consistent alignment across complex layouts and repeating elements. Finalize layout by checking page order, updating numbering, and regenerating any table of contents. Once done, run a preflight or validation step to catch missing fonts, low-res images, or color profile mismatches. Then export a proof PDF with crop marks and bleeds to verify print layout. If you encounter missing links or corrupted pages, relink assets from the Links panel or revert to your backup copy. Keep incremental saves to restore a recent state quickly if something went wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.